Hi viewers, in this video I would like to review Oliver fountain pen, and the model is military FP. Okay, if you see, if you take one pen, the body finish is really good. It's a metal pen, and inside the grip is plastic, and the nib is the same one what we saw earlier. It is nib number 5, and it has a barrel, and it is an eyedropper model. And please apply Vaseline in the threads of this grip so that you will get long life. And in my earlier video I have given how to fine tune the tines of the nib. See, while manufacturing the nib tines will be sticking together so that the ink will not flow easily. By luck, ink will flow properly, but it is better to align the tines before you use. Just if there are two tines like this, and you want to pull the tine to the top, and you want to put it back to the original position, and again the another tine also you want to do it like this, and let us do. See, please be careful while using sharp tools. Hope you are seeing this. Yeah, just I am lifting on tine, and then I am putting back to the original position. So two tines should be, the tip should be very parallel. Okay, so only you will get a smooth writing. So let me dip and write. See, after dipping you want to remove the excess ink which is held in the feeder, or else you will be feeling satisfied that nib is writing smoothly, but actually it will not. So once you drain the excess ink, and then you can start writing. The nib is really superb when compared to other companies at this price, and you can find a very good pen. The outer body is also really charming. It is a military fountain pen. See, in the metal pens what we do laser engraving, and you can engrave your names like this, right? So it will be a permanent marking. We give an option like this, and whenever you order pen, and then you can request engraving on the pen. It is free as of now. If you have any other queries on this particular model, you can leave comments so that we can try to reply you. Thanks viewers for watching this video.